What is up, you guys? Welcome back to another amazing online money hooks video. It's Manama with you. In this video, we're gonna be talking about how to make money on Medium, or how to make money writing and blogging on Medium. I've been hearing lots of you guys asking, how can somebody make $100 a day on Medium? How can somebody make money writing on Medium? As you can see, all these questions that people are asking here. How can I make money on Medium? How writers make money on Medium, how do I make money on Medium, how you make money on Medium, like all sorts of questions. But it all comes to one fundamental question, which is exactly how do you write on this amazing platform called Medium and actually make some good money online. So we'll just look at a very simple strategy that anybody can use, whether they've made money online or not, that they can go ahead and implement today, and it is guaranteed it's going to make you some substantial money to start and earning an income online. It's not a get rich quick scheme. It's gonna require you to do some research, some work, to write really good articles and blogs on Medium for you guys to start gaining traction. So as you can see, Medium is a blogging platform, writing platform about various topics that people are interested in, as you can see. So once you come over here, you can select a topic that really interests you. It can be future, it can be work, it can be culture, it can be health, it can be science, it can be business, it can be programming, relationships, cryptocurrencies, artificial intelligence, startups, as well as the elections of 2020, if that is what you're interested in. Then, for you to make money online, there are only two fundamental things that you need, or that everybody needs. One thing is a product, and the second thing is a platform on which to host that product. So Medium, that's even a reason why it's called a medium. It's a medium through which you can sell a product or service, through giving information to people that is valuable to them and something that they can use. So first step that you want to do is, without dilly-dallying much, is you want to find a product. So once you come over to Medium, you sign in, you can go to write, then you can write anything. But before you write, you want to pick a subject or a matter that interests you. So maybe say we pick something to do with cryptocurrency. So we'll go ahead with cryptocurrency. What we're gonna do is we're gonna have to find a product relating to cryptocurrency and a topic that we can write relating to that product, solving a certain problem or teaching people about cryptocurrency and investments in the right cryptocurrency coins that they can invest in. So once we come over here, we can head over to ClickBank. Is a really good platform where you can find a lot of affiliate products that people can use. But since people have been complaining over ClickBank, there are other industries that you can, like health. There's all you have to do is search for something like health product affiliate programs, and you would find any, depending on your niche that you choose. So it's going to give us a list of some places where you can find some affiliate products. So like high paying affiliate programs for health. They've written an article here. You can find a lot of information about other affiliate programs that offer affiliate commissions on products in the health section. So like for cryptocurrency, what you want to do is you want to come over to ClickBank, and you want to select the exact category you want to go in. So cryptocurrency would be under business and investing. So let's go to marketplace first. It would be the best place to start. This doesn't really show you most of the sections. So once we come over here, when we open up business and investing, we have, okay, so since I can't really see cryptocurrency, see in computers and internet. So computers and internet have nothing. So we're just gonna go ahead and search to cryptocurrency and look up some of the affiliate products that they have to offer. So want cryptocurrency, search for categories. So as you can see, we can, I say gravity, so we're going to, so gravity. So as you can see, Rich Dad Summit by Robert Kiyosaki. We've got converted energy. Then you've got crypto, which pays $4 for every sale that you bring in. Not really that much. Let's look at something better. Crypto Vote. So Crypto Vote right here pays you about $40 for every sale that you bring in. So you can go ahead and really get to understand what this product is about. Once you understand it, or you can pick this product, how to profit $1,000 per day trading penny cryptocurrencies. So this is all about trading cryptocurrencies. So you can get it for now for $37. So what you want to do is, once you pick this product, you want to go back here and you want to click promote. Once you click promote, you can say generate hop links. So if I'm signed in to have created a hop link, so that's what you do with ClickBank. You sign up, you sign in, gives you a hop link. Once you do that, then you can head over to Medium, write a blog about the particular product that you just found and how it can help somebody maybe do trading properly, be profitable with trading. So if we go and look for, let's say, cryptocurrencies Medium, so we can see some blog posts on Medium that have been written about the product or cryptocurrencies. So this is Medium. This guy has written a blog about smart contracts, the encyclopedia of smart contract attacks and vulnerabilities. So you can read. This was just created today. Bitcoin's increasing price, what a beginner needs to know about Bitcoin. So articles such as these are really important. So as you can see, this guy is written about Bitcoin for beginners, Bitcoin wallets, a bunch of things. Now as you write this article, somewhere in here, if you feel like you want to promote, maybe he talks about like Bitcoin wallet, how to choose a Bitcoin wallet. You can suggest several wallets, and you can have a wallet that you suggest from an affiliate program. So Amazon offers an affiliate program. So when you go to Amazon, you'd find that it's got some Bitcoin wallets. So let's search for Bitcoin wallet. So you get a product like this and see how much it's costing. So you get products like this, and once you go to Amazon Associates, Amazon Associates gives you a good chance of signing up to be an affiliate for Amazon, whereby once you sign up for this program, you join, you can promote products and you can earn. So as you can see, it's simple. You come here, you join, you advertise using Medium, and you earn when somebody buys through the link that you provide in an article such as this one right here. So you see, these products are $119. So you get a commission from every sale that you bring into this product. So you would expect to get somewhere maybe between $20 to $30 for every sale that you bring in on this product. And if you look at the amount of people that are searching for it, you would make a lot of money off of this. So I don't need to drag this video for long, but just thought I'd make a short quick video about the whole thing. So thanks very much guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.